All right, y'all. Gonna be episode 1. We got a new to me, rear wheel in. Interesting packing job. Ooh, this thing dirty. Man. All right, y'all, so first thing I wanna do is make sure that this thing is straight. And to do that, I'm gonna use my handy dandy wheel balancer. Man, super dirty. All right, starting off with this. Let's see if we see anything. Just looking at it, it looks pretty good. Put this here. It's touching and then it's not touching. But now it's not touching at all. I don't look too good. Let's see the other side. Yeah, that's weird. It doesn't seem like it's touching in the same spot. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking this thing isn't sturdy enough, this stand. And I think it kind of rocks within the stand. So what I'm gonna do is put it on the bike anyways, and then I'll spin it on there. So that way I know it's staying completely still, because even while looking at it, see the gap between the rod and this, it's changed. Yeah, the whole thing is moving back and forth. See how it's kind of pulsating? And actually it started over here more. Let's see if we can see it. Definitely not a good test with this thing. But just from looking at it, it does look pretty promising. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the bike and then check it there. Now before we move on, I do wanna check to see how these bearings feel. This one feels pretty good. Sounds good too. I'm not hearing it make a bunch of noise. This one does not move as well. So I might need to replace some bearings here. Yeah, I'm not liking the way this one is not moving nearly as freely as the other one. And you know what? Actually, I do hear a little crunchiness in there. Yep, we'll replace the bearings. While we're here, we can see if my axle looks bent. Just from looking at it, it really doesn't seem like it is. The axle seems to be good. One less expense to worry about. This one seems pretty stuck too. I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the bearings. Plus, it's a 2009. They probably need to be replaced anyways. All right, so I'm gonna remove the pad so that the wheel can spin as freely as possible. Oh yeah. This side looks pretty damn good. So does this side. Rotor looks good too. All right, y'all, so this wheel is in worse shape than I would have hoped for cosmetically, but that's all right. I'm gonna use a little bit of touch-up paint here and there. And also, this is gonna be a track bike anyway, so I'm not too worried about it as I would have been in the past. Other than that, that's all I got for y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all stay blessed, don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.